Now this is a very common question of WBT or West Bengal University of Technology, and that is as follows. Like this poster is consists of these elements 2, 3, 6, 12, 24 and 36, and the hash diagram is as follows. Like 2 and 3 both will divide 6, then 6 will divide 12, and 12 will divide 36 and 24. So this is the hash diagram. Now this is another example from post-it and hash diagram. This post-it consists of these elements 3, 6, 12, 24, 48, and this is the hash diagram of this post-it. 3 will divide 6, 6 will divide 12, 12 will divide 24 and 24 will divide 48. So this is the hash diagram. And another important question from complemented lattice, and that is prove that the set phi A, ACC, ABC is a lattice with respect to the relation is the intersection and union. Is it complemented? No, because complement of A does not exist. That is why this lattice is not complemented lattice. Oh, I have covered all the topics of order, relation and lattice, and also from post-it and hash diagram. If I have left any topic from these sections, so you can write on my comment sections. Please do subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, and do comment on my video sections if you have any doubt